The president told a reporter to investigate hospitals over the shortage, even though experts warned of supply problems amid the coronavirus pandemic. For the second day in a row, President Donald Trump pushed the theory that healthcare workers were responsible for a shortage of protective masks during the coronavirus pandemic. The president repeated the implication in his Monday press briefing when a reporter began to ask him about remarks he made Sunday that masks may be going out the back door. Trump cut off the reporter, saying a tremendous power in the business, seemingly a supplier of masks, had backed up his idea. He said that a New York hospital, for a long period of time, he was giving 10,000, maybe maximum 20,000 masks over a short time, and all of a sudden he's giving 300,000, Trump said of the number of masks that lawmakers and public health officials are calling for. And I said, no matter how bad this is, could that be possible? He said no. So there's only a couple of things that could happen. Is it going out the back door? Trump asked, though he never offered another explanation. There is zero evidence that such a thing is widely happening, and Trump offered no proof of this theory, which he first pushed at his press briefing on Sunday. In reality, hospitals and medical professionals have long warned that the national stockpile of medical supplies would be depleted by the pandemic if drastic action wasn't taken to produce more. The World Health Organization said weeks ago that production of masks and other supplies needed to be ramped up, and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention told healthcare providers they may have to use homemade gear, such as bandanas or scarves, if necessary. Healthcare workers around the country have said they're terrified by the shortage. Regardless, Trump said that, despite the virus, he didn't understand why hospitals needed so many more masks than usual since New York City hospitals are always full. Trump then told the reporter, who still hadn't asked a question, that he should go to the hospital and find out, ostensibly by investigating if healthcare workers are stealing masks. There are more than 140,000 confirmed cases of Covid19, the disease caused by the coronavirus, in the U.S., and more than 2,400 people have died, nationwide, with about half of those in New York City. Trump didn't take well to other challenging questions at Monday's press conference. When Jim Acosta, CNN's White House correspondent, asked him what he had to say to Americans who are upset with him for downplaying the crisis, Trump lashed back, instead of asking a nasty, snarky question like that, you should ask a real question. He did the same with PBS White House correspondent Yamiche Alcindor after she asked him why the U.S. hadn't tested as many people per capita as South Korea had. You should be saying congratulations instead of asking a really snarky question, Trump responded, because I know exactly what you mean by that. Cuomo is not running for president, and the race for the Democratic nomination is down to just two candidates, Biden and Senator Bernie Sanders, IVT. President Donald Trump said Monday that he wouldn't mind running against New York Governor Andrew Cuomo for president, adding that he thought Cuomo would make a better candidate than former Vice President Joe Biden. In an interview on Fox News, Trump was asked to react to speculation that Cuomo would be a better candidate for the Democrats. If he's going to run, that's fine, Trump said. I wouldn't mind running against Andrew. I've known Andrew for a long time. I wouldn't mind that, but I'll be honest, I think he'd be a better candidate than Sleepy Joe. The president added, I wouldn't mind running against Andrew. I don't mind running against Joe Biden. I think probably Andrew would be better, Trump continued. I'm telling you right now, I want somebody for this country that's gonna do a great job, and I hope I'm going to win. Cuomo, of course, is not running for president, and the race for the Democratic nomination is now down to just Biden and Senator Bernie Sanders, IVT. Speaking at his daily coronavirus press conference later Monday, Cuomo dismissed rumors he is considering jumping into the race. I am not engaging the president in politics, he said. My only goal is to engage the president in partnership. This is no time for politics. I'm not going to rise to the bait of a political challenge, Cuomo added. I'm not running for president. I was never running for president. I said from day one I wasn't running for president. I'm not running for president now. I'm not playing politics. Some have suggested that Cuomo should have launched a White House bid because they say he's handling the coronavirus crisis well, and New York Times columnist Maureen Dowd wrote about it over the weekend and said she asked Cuomo if the current situation has revived his dreams of a presidential run. No. I know presidential politics. I was there in the White House with Clinton. I was there with Gore. No, I'm at peace with who I am and what I'm doing, Cuomo told Dowd. Dowd wrote that Cuomo's friends said the New York governor will be loyal to Biden. But they said if Trump is re-elected, Cuomo could run for president in 2024.